In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Polygon wallet address using your Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust Wallet app, and once you're in the home screen, you navigate to the crypto section to find Polygon. So once you check there and you can't find Polygon, what you need to do will be to navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you can find a plus sign. You click on it, and in the search bar, you click on Matic. Once you click on Matic, you should be able to find Polygon. If it is not toggled, you click on the toggle button, and once you do that, once you return to the home page, you should be able to find your Polygon. So you click on Polygon and you would find send, receive, buy, swap, and sell. What you are looking for here is receive. Immediately you click on receive, you should be able to see the QR code and also the wallet address. You can copy this wallet address and include it in any exchange of your choice which you want to use to send Polygon to your Trust Wallet. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.